Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we will explain angles pair relations and we explain also the some questions of probability. So let us to start question 2 and to answer the following question. 12 side solid have faces numbered from 1 to 12. Let us to put the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The first question is, find the probability of rolling number greater than 5. So count how many numbers greater than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 numbers greater than 5 over what is the total number is 12. So 7 over 12. If the 12 side solid is rolled 180 times, how many times would you expect there are 3, 9, 11. So how many number actually I give it to you here? How many number? 3 numbers. So 3 over how what is the total faces is 12. So 3 over 12. Now rolled how many times? Rolled 180. So 180 because this is the total rolled and up is x. So if I give it to you, number rolled, so that's mean how many numbers you have here? Here you have 3 over how many faces? 12 equals 180 because it's the total. We know every total we put it down over x. Now make a scissor. What is the meaning of scissor? 3 times 180. So 3 times 180 over the opposite side of x is 12. Is 12. Let us to simplify. 3 and 12 we can divide it. So divided by 3 equal 1. Divided by 3 equal 4. Now divided by 4 equal 1. Divided by 4 equals 45. So x here equal 45. Number 2. Ellen flipped a coin 80 times. The coin landed head 44 times. And you have a coin, we have head and tail. So, how many times you have head is 44 times. And tail 36 times. Now, I asked you to find a probability that a coin landing tail up. So, how many tail you have? 36. What is the total number you have? 80. So, if I asked you to find experimental probability, that's mean 36 divided by 80. Make a long division. 36 divided by 80. First of all, we can't divide because normal divide. Why? Because 36 is less than 80. So I must put 0 down and 0 up. Now, we need to find the nearest number for 360 and less than 360. So 80 times 4. Let us to check. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 8 is 32. 80 times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is 40. So what is the nearest number to 360? Is 320. Subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. That's it. So we need to increase the number because we can't divide 40 divided by 80. So we will put 0. 400 divided by 80, it's 5. So what is the percent here? 45. So experimental, that's mean we find exactly number. Type. What about theoretical number? Theoretical number we must round to get not exactly number, to get the nearest number. So you have what? 44 head and 36 tail. So we will take 36 and you have here 80. What is the nearest number for 36 and can be divided normally by 80? You have 40, right? 40. That's the nearest number. So if you have here 40 divided by 80, cancel 0 with 0. So divided by 4 equal 1, divided by 4 equal 2. So you have 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is what? 50%. So experimental property, that means you find exactly number. Theoretical, we must round to get a number, to get a normal division. I think now it's clear. Now theoretical is 50 and experimental is 45. So theoretical is more than experimental. Let us to go the second part. Angle pair relation. First angle, we have a vertical angle. Vertical angle like x. What is the property of the vertical angle? Look here, girls. This angle equal this angle. You look, the opposite. And also, this angle equal this angle. Opposite. Let us to take a question directly. Look, this question 6. It is a vertical angle because like x. So what is the rule said? This angle equal this angle, right? Okay, so we can solve it. 11y minus 36 equal 63. Because this part, 11y minus 36 equal 63. Now what I do? I need y. So I must move a negative 36 to another side. When we move, you must flip the sign. Now what is the sign of 36? Is negative. When we move it become positive. So 11y equal 63 plus 36. Add 99. So 11y equal 99. Now still I need y. I will divide it here by 11, divide it here by 11. So 99 divided by 11 is 9. This is the vertical angle. Vertical angle like x. Opposite angles is equal each other. Now we have another vertical angle. Look with me. Question number 5 is also vertical angle. Look, it is x. Look, you have x. Yes, I have x. Look, this x. So this angle totally equal this angle totally. طيب, this angle is what? 50. So 50 equal. This is angle actually equal what? B and 30. So B plus 30, right? Because this is an angle, a whole angle, but separated or divided by two parts, B and 30. Now I need to find B. Move it 30 in another side. When we move it, we must flip the sign. So B equals 50 minus 30 is equals to 20. I think that's a vertical angle. Okay. Let us to take the second type, Supplementary angle. That's mean you have two angles in straight line. In straight line. Supplementary angles mean total angles is 180. 180. Two angles must be in the same line. So that's named supplementary angle. Let us to take an example directly. Yeah. Look, this is a two angle in a straight line on one straight line. So 3x plus 54 equals what? Equals 180 because it's a supplementary angle. So we can write 3x plus 54 equals to 180 because the summation of these two angles is 180. Now I will move el 54. So 3x equals 180 minus 54. So 3x equals 180 minus 54 is 126. Now what I do, I need to find the x. So I will divide it here by 3, divide it here by 3. So x equal 126 divided by 3 is 42. That's it. Let us to search another one. I don't think so we have another one. Now, third one is complementary angle. Complementary angle like you have two lines perpendicular and we have a small triangle. You know this small triangle is equals what? Is equals 90. So a complementary angle is equals to 90. Supplementary angle equal 180. So a total angles, this angle and this angle totally equal what? 190 equal 90. Let us to take a question. Look this, we have a small triangle here. So automatically, total angles in this shape equal 90. Measure angle 1 is 39. This is the 1 is 39. What is the measure angle, the second one? So, we know total angles is 90. So, if I asked you to find this x, what I do? I put 90 minus the second angle 39. So, it's equal 51. 51. So, straight line 180. Small triangle like that, that's mean right angle. Look question, now we finished this. Look question number 5. Find the measure of complement of angle 18. Explain your answer. Type complementary. What is this complementary? Complementary means total angles is 90. So if I asked you to find a measure of complementary, we will take this number subtracted from 90. So 90 minus 18 is 72. يبقى any complementary angle 90 minus angle you have. I think we finished this part. Okay, good. Now let us to take adjacent angle. Adjacent angle is not supplementary angle and not complementary angle. It's adjacent. So what I do, we can't calculate the angle. Yani we can't say adjacent angle is 180, no. Adjacent angle is 90, no. Just I asked you to name the adjacent angle. Let us take a question. If I give it to you a graph like that, and I asked you to find adjacent angle. So, what is the adjacent angle? This angle And this angle, look, it's adjacent. Adjacent. So if I asked you to name it, you can set NOP. That's the first angle. Second angle, POQ. That's the second angle. Some students said, teacher, we have another adjacent angle. Look, look, in the red pen. This one and this one. So we can name it ROQ, that's the first one, or QOP. This is the adjacent angle. I think you know what is the difference between the angles, and what is the difference between theoretical angle or theoretical probability with experimental probability. Thank you.